provisions for contingencies include here the bad debts 40,000 and provision for taxation 1,39,400 and the total provisions and contingencies 1,79,400. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? total provisions and contingencies 1,79,400. 40,000 provision for bad debts and 1,39,400 is the provision for taxation. So total expenditure now 6,50,800. Total expenditure 6,50,800. 3,85,000 plus 86,400 plus 40,000 plus 1,39,400. 6,50,800 total expenditure. Now the profit for the current year. Profit for the current year represents the total income minus total expenditure. Total income minus total expenditure. How much? 7,90,200 minus 6,50,800. 1,39,400. Total profits ನಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಏನು provision for tax ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು profit for the current year 1,39,400 and brought forward profit. Balance of profit from the last year was rupees 1,20,000. So the profits totally available for appropriation 2,59,400. Total profits available for appropriation 2,59,400. Now the appropriations 2,59,400. Statutory reserve. Statutory reserve ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು 20% of the current year's profit. 20% of the current year's profit. So current year's profit 1,39,400 into 20%. How much? 27,880 and transfer to other reserves. No. Transfer 20% to profit to statutory reserve and directors have recommended a dividend of rupees 20,000. So government propose a dividend rupees 20,000. So out of rupees 2,59,400, 27,880 is transferred to statutory reserve and 20,000 is declared as a dividend to the shareholders. So totally 47,880. 2,59,400 less 47,880. 2,11,520. 2,11,520. 2,11,580 is the balance carried to balance sheet. 2,11,580 is the balance carried to balance sheet. So the total 2,59,400. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Or else ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಾ? 2,11,580 2,11,580. So in this way we have calculate or compute or prepare the profit and loss account of a bank company. Profit and loss account ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಾ?